again. Well, it is time to unmold this little guy. You can see he kind of shifted on me. So I'm going to have to start. Something's wrong with my drying rack. So let's see how this looks. I'm going to unmold it and show you. Now this video, when it was first put up, is for my members. So if you're seeing this on Monday or Tuesday of this week, thank you for your support for being a member. For those of you that are seeing it on maybe Thursday or Friday, what I want you to do is I want you to go check out my memberships to see how they look and see which one you might want. Okay, here we go. I'm very slowly, and I got gloves on so I don't get oil on it. I'm very slowly pulling away the mold, okay? Okay, this is the back, or I consider this to be the back, and ta-da! Well, the glitter spread out, and it looks a little wonky with more lines over here than it does over here, but I'm going to have to say that I like this technique. I'm going to have to try not to get it on an unlevel spot, which was in my cabinet. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and for those of you that are watching it when it's a public video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and don't forget to click the little bell for all the notifications. I go live every Tuesday at 6 p.m. Central Time doing resin. I'm going to be doing, for those of you that are members, you're seeing this the day before. I'm going to be doing another one or two of these Tuesday night. And I will be putting up really soon a link to an auction that's going to be in February. I haven't figured out the date yet, is why it's not up, but I'm going to do an auction of nothing but clocks. It's going to be these clocks, it's going to be my saw blade clocks, and there might even be some record album clocks in there. I don't know yet. So tell me what you think. This is the, well, wait a minute, this is the hole right here, so you can see, let me see. Yeah, so you can see how it shifted all this way. So thanks for watching. I love the resin right out of you guys, and don't forget to click this little subscribe button over here, and don't forget to check out this video up here and this video down here. And all I can say is bye for now.